What's up, guys? Brian, BH35 Sports Cards, doing 2014-15 Gold Standard Basketball half case break number 6. Take over the randomizer real quick, show you who's in this thing and who you have. Actually, you know what? We're going to randomize for the group break spot first. So, take you over here, hit this button. This is how many times we will randomize the list. 6. 1. 2. Whoever's on top is winning a spot in the silver bonus box break. 3. Going 6 times. 4. 5. And 6. Jimmy Mahan is in. All right. This is who you have in the break. These are your teams. This will be Jimmy's first silver box experience. Good luck. All right, there you go. There's your cards. And here we go. Good luck, everybody. Recording. Get some gold. Ah. 1, 2, 3. You want it 3 times, right? For the Bucks, what was the name? 10 Wags? All right, do me a favor, Patrick, and double check your PayPal because I don't have a payment from you. I see that there was 2 select spots and the Bucks in your cart, but not checked out. So I want to make sure that I don't have your money when I'm not supposed to. In the meantime, the Bucks did sell in this one. Jimmy Mahan had them. But I want to make sure that you don't have like some sort of payment from sent, I guess I should say. All right. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Thank you for joining. I appreciate it. Get you some focus in here. 285, John Stockton. Look at that crazy hairdo. Shaquille O'Neal. Joe Johnson. Chris Webber to 79 for the Kings. Sacramento Kings. Jordan Duncan. Got the James Ennis to 99 for the Heat. Miami Heat, Solier, 2K3. Ooh, look at that. Little Sean Kemp, 19 out of 25. Black gold for the Thunder. JaVale McGee to 75. Little jersey relic auto for the Nugs. Sooner Steve. Peja Stojakovic, 28 out of 35 for the Mavericks. Eric, 14K autographs, it says. There you go. Bailey Howell for the Celtics to 79. SB Collins, got him. And CJ Wilcox, Clippers. LA Clippers shooter. That's your first pack. Tyreek Evans for the Pelicans to 79. Tobias Harris, 285. Channing Frye, 285. Kevin Durant to 285. Kemba Walker to 285. Got a 79. Vernon Maxwell for the Rockets. Don't watch this part. 10 wags. Just close your eyes until it's over. This one's got a pretty banged up corner. But they're super foily, so they're not going to be perfect. Rockets was K. Jones. TJ Warren, Suns. Big Papi. Alfred Payton for the Magic to 199. Jimmy Mahan. Robert Ory to 149 for the Spurs, Motherlode. Jaxie. And Carl Landry, black gold threads to 25, 13 out of 25. Jumbo jersey relic for the Kings. Jordan Duncan. Boom. Big shot Bob. Big shot Bob. All right, let's see. All right, here we go. Nick Collison, 285. Nick Young, 285. It's the Nick Hot Pack. Nene. That means Nick and Nene. Derek Favors to 79. Adrian Payne for the Hawks. Eric Ederks to 25. Black gold Cavs. Sean Marion. Key 1469. Got Danny Green for the Spurs to 149. Some points. Meh. points, 150. We'll random that off at the end. There's your Danny Green again. KJ McDaniels for the 76ers. J. Rich. And who do we got here? Mike Muscala for Atlanta to 199. Super Scribe. Super Scribe. Danny Green? Yeah, he's good. Here you go. Kentavious Caldwell Pope, 285. Kawhi Leonard, 285. MCW to 285. George Gervin, the Iceman, to 285. Anthony Bennett to 79. He looks really big there. Vlade Divac to 79 for the Kings. Vlade. Oh, man. Mitch McGarry, Juan of Juan. Look at that patch. For the Thunder, J. Rich. What's up, Bojangles? That's awesome. That's a really nice card. It's like a grayish blue around this. I don't know if that translates on the camera. Zach LaVine to 149. Going up to hammer down a awesome dunk. Kawhi Leonard for the Spurs to 99. Yes, Joxy. He is good. Michael Carter Williams. White gold threads to 25. Nope, sorry. To 49. 40 out of 49 on that one. Nice box there. Good Lord. All right, there he is, Tay. For the Grizz, Freckles, McGee, Kyrie Irving, Paul George, Chris Bosh, DeMarcus Cousins. The Wildcats are all over this thing. Oh, Larry Johnson. Sick. We got Charlotte. Jimmy Mahan to 199. Damian Inglis for the Bucks to 149. Ooh, look at that thing. Memphis, New Orleans, and San Antonio. Jarnell Stokes, Jordan Adams, Kyle Anderson, and Russ Smith. 2 out of 25. Not really understanding the significance of this card. SP Collins has the Grizzlies. Spurs is Joxy, and the Thunder is J. Rich. But Collins has majority. This all Southwest Division guys, I guess. Am I right? Pedro Pero Antic for the Hawks to 199, and Gorgie Dang to 199 for the T-Wolves. That is your break. We do have one random to run for the 150 points, so I'll throw everybody, actually everybody's in the randomizer, so I'll just, actually they're not. I'll throw everyone back in and we'll randomize it 3 times, and whoever's on top wins. Well, he has 2 out of the 4, so that's how. Owned. times. Going 7 times. Good luck on your points card. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Joxy gets the points. There you go. Thank you everyone who joined. I appreciate it. We will see you next time. Peace.